In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to complete the online free and reduced application. Completing the online application is fast, easy, and secure. Your school district will provide you with a unique web address that will direct you to your online application. If you do not have the link, please contact your school for more information. To get started, click the link provided by your school district. The first step is to approve the terms of use and privacy policy. You must agree to the terms in order to proceed with the application. Note that the application is provided in both English and Spanish. The next screen will show the letter to household, which is required to be included with each application. This letter will provide answers to your frequently asked questions and will include the free and reduced lunch prices for the current or upcoming school year, so we recommend that you take a moment to read. Note that it will change from year to year. Then, click Next to begin entering the children information on the application. On this screen, enter the total number of all children in your household. You'll have the option to indicate whether each child is a student in this district on the next screen. Also, notice the link for instructions at the top of the page that will provide more information on completing each step. You can also see which stage of the application you're on by looking at the links across the top. Click Next to continue. Enter the first and last name of each child and check yes or no to answer the question on whether the child is a student in this district. If you answer no, proceed to the next child or click Next. If you've answered yes for any children, notice that you'll be asked to enter additional information for that student, such as birth date, grade, school, and case number if applicable. Note the asterisks to determine required fields. Depending on your district, you may see checkboxes to the right of the Is This a Student question for foster students or students that are categorized as homeless, migrant, runaway, or Head Start. If applicable, check the appropriate box. Note that if all children are foster students, then you will not need to enter the income of household members. Once finished, click Next to continue. On this screen, provide a case number for anyone in your household who receives benefits from an assistance program if applicable. This number is provided by the state and includes SNAP or formula food stamps or a state-sponsored program as an example. Note that you only have to enter a single case number for the entire household. Then click Next. If you provided a case number, you'll skip to the General Info section because household income is not required. If there is no case number, then you'll continue on to the child income page. If any of the children earn income, enter the total amount and frequency in the fields provided. If you have more than one child with income, then we've provided a helpful worksheet for you to use in order to determine the single income amount and frequency. Simply click Child Income Worksheet and provide the values and frequencies. Notice that the first box will automatically adjust to show the total combined income for all children. In some cases, a no income checkbox will be provided. If so, check that box if none of the children earn income. Then click Next. You're now ready to provide the household members and income. First, simply provide the total number of household members, excluding the children listed in the previous section. Remember to use the instructions link at the top of the screen if you need clarity or additional information. Click Next to continue. Provide the first and last name and income for each member. Refer to the instructions section for more information on what to enter for earnings from work, public assistance, child support, or pensions and other income. Be sure to provide the frequency and income in whole numbers for each member, or check the box for no income if applicable, if there is no income to report for the specified household member. If needed, you can add or remove household members on this screen as well. Once finished, click Next to continue on to the Adult Signer information screen. Select your name from the drop-down menu. Notice that this will only include the list of household members provided in the previous step. Enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or check the box if you do not have one. Then, provide your mailing address, phone number, and email address if applicable. This information may be used to contact you should there be any questions regarding your application or to provide eligibility status. If you provided a case number earlier, then you will only need to enter the first and last name of the signer. A Social Security number will not be required. Click Next to continue to the Demographic Information section. This section is optional to complete and does not affect your children's eligibility for free or reduced price meals. Once complete, continue on to the next page. The next step is to review the information you've entered on the summary and review page. Note that you can go back to any section of the application and adjust the information by clicking the appropriate links to the right. After reviewing or making any changes, click Next, where you'll be asked to provide your electronic signature. Simply type your first and last name into the appropriate fields. Note that the name must be the same name as listed in the Household Members section or as entered in the Adult Signer section. For certain districts, this will be the last step of the application, in which case you'll see the option to finish the application. Depending on your district, however, you may be able to click Next instead, where you will have the option to check whether you'd like to share your information in order to receive additional benefits for other programs. If so, check the preferred boxes as well as the signature box. Then click Finish to complete the application. Once complete, you've finished the application and you'll see the confirmation screen. On this screen, you'll receive your confirmation number for the completed application. Please save this number for your records, as you may need it in the future. You can either write the number down, print the application, or send an email with the confirmation details by entering your email in the fields provided. This concludes the video tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great school year.